Did you know that 85% of consumers make purchasing decisions based on product packaging and appearance? Fruit appearances based on type, shape, color, and size can be easily classified using tinyML vision technology to help farming and orchard vendors sell their harvested inventory quickly and at a higher profit. Fruit classification faces 5 challenges: intraclass variability, interclass similarity, occlusion, image quality, and lack of annotated data. Solving these challenges leads to more accurate algorithms, with the potential to improve the efficiency of the agri-industry by up to 30%. Join us to learn more. Fruit classification using images follows a 6-step process: image acquisition, pre-processing, feature extraction, model training, evaluation, and deployment. This leads to accuracy rates of over 95% and can have a significant impact on the agri-industry. AITS engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates to detect fruit using AI computer vision techniques and machine learning algorithms. Join the deep learning revolution in fruit classification. Our 6-step process results in accuracy rates of over 95% and can transform the agri-industry. Boost efficiency by 30% and make data-driven decisions with our cutting-edge technology. The deep learning model is easily created by collecting pictures and fruit and plants in a dataset on a tinyML platform like cAInvas, with pre-processing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model, resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with deepC. The fruit classification problem involves accurately identifying and categorizing different types of fruits based on their physical characteristics, such as shape, color, and texture. tinyML platform like cAInvas transforms the agri-industry with fruit classification using deep learning. Experience accuracy rates of over 95% and see a 30% boost in efficiency. Make data-driven decisions and increase productivity with our cutting-edge technology. Join us today. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.